Hello and good morning class. This is P.P. Srivastava. Again we are going to discuss the right track paragraph number 12. But before going to discuss this paragraph, we have to correlate with the previous paragraph what you people have read. So in the previous paragraph class read, you people have read when rat trap sailor kept the 30 kroner in his pocket, he decided to walk on the road, but when he came on the road he thought that someone can snatch my money. So he decided to opt the wooden forest, wooden road. When he entered in the wooden road, he became confused. Whole day passed, he was wandering from here to there. And what was the result? The result was zero. Because from where he started his journey at the last in evening, he found that he was already present on the same place. It means that whole day he was wandering in the wooden forest, but his result was zero. So come to this paragraph class. It was late December. In December, darkness was already descending. So it was the time of late December. It means after 25th of December. So you know very well the darkness spread earlier. It means after 4:30 you people can realize easily. So it was also the time of December. The darkness also descending over the forest. This increased the danger and increased also his gloom. He kept 30 kronors. He had the 30 kronors. So his problem also increased because he could not choose the way. From which way he had to go, it was not decided. So it increased also his gloom. Gloom means despair, in which in Hindi you people can say nirasa, which was increasing his despair also. And finally he saw no way out. Finally he was unable to found or unable to choose which way he should go there. He should go forward, and he sank down on the ground, tired to death. He was extremely tired. You people can say he was extremely tired because whole day he went from here to there, but the result was zero. So in the evening he was extremely tired, thinking that his last moment had come. And he thought that today is my last day, because due to tiredness he was unable to take his breath also. Even he was hungry also, you people can say. But just as he laid his head on the ground, when his head like this on the ground, he heard a sound of hard regular thumping, continuous. He heard the sound, that a thumping sound. This one is called thumping. A thumping sound was continuously coming to his ear, and there was no doubt as to what that was. He raised himself. So finally he gathered his energy. He raised himself, and what happened? Those are the hammer strokes. When he sat, he was lying down. When he sat, he understood that the sound which was coming regularly in his ears was the strokes from an iron nails. He thought there must be people nearby. So finally he understood that the voice which was coming from continuously thumping sound which was coming regularly to his ear, he understood that there were people nearby. He summoned all his strength. Summoned means gather. He gathered all his strength and moved from there, and got up and staggered in the direction of the sound, and he moved there. Moved where the sound was coming from. Thank you class.